Namaste, Sat Shri Akal, Assalamu alaikum, and good evening, friends. As you know, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. I want to request you stay home, save lives. Introduction. My name is Navdeep Kaur. I am working as an assistant professor in the CSC department. My hobbies are playing cricket, dancing, writing. One line always motivates me. Life is a movie. You are the director of your life. Don't live your life as other people expect. And my channel name is Powerful Weapon. Okay, let's start next topic. In previous video I have covered conditional statements in shell programming, and today's topic is case statement in shell programming. As we already know, shell is an interface through which user can use operating system, and shell programming is a sequence of commands which can be executed by shell at any time. Okay, so what is case statement? Case statement is same as switch statement in C++. You can see switch case in C++. In this example, I have one variable day, and the value of this variable is 1. Now this program will print case 1 and your output will be Monday. If I change the value of this variable to 5, now this program will print fifth case, and your fifth case is Friday. So the logic of switch in C++ and in shell programming we call it case statement. The logic is same but the syntax is different. You can see the syntax. Case word. Word means you can take any variable, and we have different patterns. Pattern 1, 2, 3, and last one is default condition. So if this variable value is 2, now it will print pattern second statement. If this word means we can take any variable is 3, now it will print third pattern. So let's do one program. Okay, you can see this simple program. Here I have one variable and value of this variable is 1. Now case this variable. Now because this variable value is 1, it will print Monday. If I change this variable value to 2, then it will print Tuesday. So let's do this program in online bash editor. You can see now let's execute this program. You can see now I will change this value to 2. Now again, now second, now a value of n is 2, so it will print Tuesday. So you can see syntax. Case word in means case $n in. After this you can take any pattern 1, 2, 3. In this case I have 1, 2, 3, and inside this you can write any statement. For printing any value we use echo in shell programming. So I can make another program. Suppose I have Sachin. Now I can write here Sachin, David, and Smith. Now India. Sachin is from India. David from Australia. Australia. Similarly, Smith from Australia. So now execute this program. Okay, now again execute this program. You can see output India. So in pattern you can give any value, numeric, or you can give any character. You can see this pattern 1. In pattern 1 you can give any numeric, or you can give any character type value. You can see Sachin 1 is pattern 1, David 2 is pattern 2. So today we have covered case statement in shell programming. So be passionate, be creative. Let's make technical India. Thank you so much for watching this.